next question. Next question. Next question.
Next question is
Hi guys, this is Sia. Welcome to my channel, everybody. What you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. And this is my first video, which is an introduction plus Q&A video. I hope you guys like it. This is my first shot to YouTube. And without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. So I had put up an Instagram story yesterday, so I got a bunch of questions from there, which I'm going to answer today so that you guys know me better. And let's jump into the first question. Question number 1. What is your favorite color? So my favorite color is yellow because it's really bright and I like bright things. Moving on to the second question, which is what is your height? My height is 5'7", which is an average height.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Question number 3, which is third. What do you eat in a day? So my diet consists of 90% junk and 10% of healthy food, which is very wrong. I'm trying to work on that. But फिलहाल के लिए मेरी डाइट में सिर्फ और सिर्फ
burgers or pastas hai.
Question number 4, which is how are you so flexible? So I've got this question a lot of times. Now let me tell you that I was born with this flexibility. I have worked for it, but mostly I was born with it. And there are some people who work really hard for it, and then there are some people who are naturally gifted with it. So I was one person who was naturally gifted with it, and I worked a little more, a little harder, and then I became extremely flexible. So it is not really difficult if you try. You can also become flexible. Next question is, are you a tea person or a coffee person? So I'm a coffee person, I'm not a tea person. Actually, I'm none. I rarely drink anything. So what is your favorite Netflix series? So my favorite Netflix series is obviously Money Heist. But if I have to choose a current favorite, because Money Heist मैंने ख़त्म कर दिया है, it is Riverdale. I really like Riverdale a lot. Next question, which is, what are your fears? Trust me, I only fear rats. I just hate rats. I cannot bear rats at all. So I fear rats a lot. Oh, the birds are chirping. The next question is, how is quarantine going? So quarantine is going pretty well. I am really fortunate enough to have a house that I can stay in. And so I'm very happy with whatever I have, and quarantine is going amazing. So the next question that most people asked is, how do you do a center split? So the answer remains the same. Do stretching, lots of stretching, lots of stretching, lots of stretching, and then you can get your center split. It is not any rocket science that you won't get it. Rocket science also you get. So center split is nothing. Center split is nothing.
Center split is nothing.
Next question is something that is constantly on your mind. So something that is constantly on my mind right now would definitely be, apart from Corona, that I have to work on my YouTube channel, and I have a lot of college work also coming up because I just finished my 12th, so I need to find a college. So that is what is running in my mind right now. Next question. What is the most embarrassing moment that you have ever been in? So the most embarrassing moment, वैसे तो बहुत सारे हैं, but the most embarrassing moment that I have ever been in was, I remember I was in 5th class and मेरा van driver used to come and he used to rush. So मैं भागी नीचे to catch my van and I forgot my bag only. I had to go to school and I forgot my bag and मेरे को याद ही नहीं आया, मैं पहुंच गई and I opened my maths teacher came, and then she told us ki take out your maths books.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
And then I realized that I don't have my bag only. I thought मैंने नीचे छोड़ दिया होगा because नीचे we used to keep our bags in the assembly. So I went downstairs. It was not there. Then I realized that, oh God, I forgot my school bag only. How can you forget your school bag? It was pretty embarrassing for me because I had to tell my teacher that I forgot my school bag. Then
My failure, my mom came and then she got my bag and I had to study. So that was one of the most embarrassing.
okay, so I was bombarded with questions that were related to dance, and some of them I had to skip, but I have a few of them. I will answer that. The first question was, what made you get into dance in the first place? The reason why I decided to dance was जब मेरे को 4th standard में डांस में नहीं लिया था. 4th standard में मेरे को डांस में लिया ही नहीं, saying that I was too tall or I was too I could not move properly, so that hit my ego. I was like, I didn't get selected, now I will show them that I can also dance. So that is where the fire inside me started, that I want to dance. Now the next question, which is, when did you start your journey as a dancer? As a dancer, I started my journey in class 8th. Before that, I used to do performances in school, but I started learning dance in class 8th. I joined Danceworks. Now, another question. When did you decide to start learning dance professionally? So there is a difference between just learning dance as a hobby and learning dance professionally. So I started learning dance full time when one of my instructors told me that I could do it. I can professionally start training as a dancer. And that is when I gave my auditions for the team, that is the probation, and I got selected, and that is where my journey to professionally learn dance started. Would you give credit to your family, school, or just Danceworks for the dance you have learned and what you are today? So this is a really nice question, as I think a lot of people helped me throughout this journey. My friends, my family, my school. Of course, without my parents' support, I could not have learned the dance and I could not have become the dancer that I am today. And obviously the school performances, ये जो स्कूल में छोटी छोटी performances होती हैं, it gave me that confidence that no, I can do it. And then I started choreographing for smaller children. Then it gave me more motivation. And Danceworks has obviously given me a lot for the dancer I am today, as from the basics to the high level stuff, everything and anything was taught by my mentors from Danceworks. And I'm really, really, really happy, and I want to thank all the people that supported me throughout this journey. What plan do you have for college and future in general? So right now I'm searching for colleges for undergrad, and I have a lot of plans for my future, obviously, which you'll get to know when I come near achieving it. And that's it. What is your zodiac sign? So I'm a Libra, and I pretty much act like a Libra as well. Okay, so this is a really important question that I thought I should answer, which is, why did you open this channel? So I thought of opening this channel mainly because I wanted to show my creativity, my ability, and my talent. I wanted to express all that I have inside me, and this is a really good platform for that. So I decided to open a YouTube channel. Okay, so another question that one of you asked was that, do you have any regrets in life? So I only have one thing to say, that life is too short to have any regrets. So do not have any regrets in your life, because you need to learn how to move on in life and be happy. This is the last question of the video, which is, do you like skincare or do you like makeup? I like skincare more than makeup because it makes your skin better and it gives you that glow that you need. So skincare is the option that I choose. this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my first ever video on YouTube, so I think I did a pretty decent job. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, share, subscribe, and comment down below on what were your opinions on my first ever video on YouTube. And I will link my social media platforms down below. You can follow me there as well. Till then, toodles!